the Humans of Hemp podcast. Be part of the conversations we've never had and the stories we've never shared. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the positivity. And of course, we will discuss the negative also, but we are such positive people that negative हमें affect नहीं करता. So let's start with the positive. First, about you, to our viewers, and about the work you're doing, and trying to cater to everybody. साथ सबको साथ में लेके चलने की जो आपकी एक mentality है,
Right.
उसके बारे में हमारे viewers को बताइए.
Sure.
Yes.
So basically what I understood is when I started practicing Ayurveda, medical cannabis and hemp, I understood that this plant is having wonderful results in terms of healing. In the entire world, there are only two right now oils. One is the fish oil, and for vegans, the hemp seed oil, which has golden ratio of omega-3, 6 and 9. Now these days, so many people are dying with cardiac issues, with some lifestyle disorders, and this can help them to heal. Second, the therapeutic benefit. So when I realized as a doctor that this herb, this plant, but when I see the industry, I'm talking about 5 years back, nobody was talking, nobody was promoting, like all the people were negative. So then we thought to start some initiatives. Rather, we have a startup, IndianVedas.com, where more than 1 lakh Ayurveda doctors and 10,000 homeopathic doctors, and now several thousand allopathy doctors are also integrating. And US, Canada, Israel, if you see, Europe, UK is one of the largest exporter of medical cannabis. So they are way ahead of us. But this particular plant is from India. In Vedas, there are 5 sacred plants which are there. Tulsi, Chandan, Neem, Jasmine and Vijaya. So we worship Tulsi.
Yes.
We apply Chandan on our forehead.
Yes.
Neem and Jasmine are also positive plants.
Yeah.
But the 5th plant, Vijaya, is negative. And we never thought about that.
Yes.
It's just due to the rulers who ruled us.
Yeah.
We started having that mentality and mindset about this plant. Otherwise, we offer to Lord Shiva
Yeah.
this plant, including Datura and Bhang. We offer him as our gratitude.
Yeah.
So I think that negativity should be diffused. And through our startup, through our platform, we want to take it to the next level in terms of the domestic as well as the global. Recently, we got nominated in the International Committee of PhD Chamber of Commerce as well.
Yes.
And we went to an Indian delegation in UAE. UAE again is a very conservative country if you talk about hemp. But still they are open and they want to understand about this industry. And they are looking forward to associate in any capacity which they can.
Yes.
Right.
But are we ready? Are we as Indian government, Indian states? I know in the north, so still there is some dialogue. हम लोग हिमाचल में भी dialogue create कर रहे हैं, उत्तराखंड में dialogue create कर रहे हैं. But आपको ऐसा लगता है कि सेंटर को इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए इसमें अब कि यार ये स्टेट का इशू ही रहने दे?
No, very good question in fact. What I want to suggest to the center through this platform is, see, although they say that it's a matter of state in terms of agriculture, in terms of medicines, and when we met them, they said you are the first person who are talking about hemp in this criteria or in this domain that, like I was wearing a hemp shirt.
Yes.
So one minister said, first time I am seeing कि भांग का भी कपड़ा होता है. We can have food, we can have so many other things apart from only recreational aspect of cannabis. So when we talk about, when we make them aware about these things, and when we say that okay, world का 10 top painkillers में से 7 are opioids and having side effects, people are dying from opioids.
Yes.
In some countries, overdose and all.
Yeah.
But cannabis is a better option, faster option in terms of pain management. There is no single, on record I can say, there is no single death certificate till now in the world where the reason of death is cannabis. So can you imagine the level of safety with this herbs carry? As a doctor, we know that.
Yeah.
The maximum is you will sleep for maybe long hours. So these are some minor side effects. Nothing as compared to the other side effects which you are getting from the chemical agents which are replacing. So for example, in psychiatry, in digestive disorders, in pain management, in supporting care of cancer. And for food also, it is one of the best source of protein for vegetarians.
Yes.
By the way, Indians are protein deficient. So if government will seriously think about this, we can at least address the deficiencies in populations as far as protein is concerned, as far as other nutrients are concerned.
Yeah.
So I think government should definitely promote on a central level at least about this plant. They should talk more about this. They should support more in more capacities.
Yes.
So that it will definitely, and see, ultimately our government is having one aim, that they want to grow India. They want to grow Make in India. They want to grow exports. And India is a hub.
Yeah.
Himachal, Uttarakhand, Himalayas are the native, and the entire world is very excited about Indian hemp and Indian cannabis. They want to get ethically, by the way, they want to get ethically from Himalayas.
Yeah.
And if we create that ecosystem and that channel, It's a multi-billion dollar, trillion dollar industry for India.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं हमारी कंट्री पे एक स्टीरियोटाइप है कि इनका एक सर्टन वे होता है, एक लुक होता है, और उसी वजह से हमें देख के वो थोड़ा शॉक में आ जाते हैं?
No, actually, when I realized this, I quoted some examples.
Yeah.
So all of you in household, we use khaskhas in our kitchen, and technically that is a poppy seed.
Yes.
So अगर आप अफीम की बात करेंगे, अफीम बोलेंगे,
हाँ.
तो वहाँ परसेप्शन वो अफीम लेने वालों का आएगा. But if you say खसखस, तो घर में हम सब यूज करते हैं.
Yes.
Same applies to this. ठीक है, if somebody is saying marijuana
हाँ.
or somebody is having recreational, I think we should define the terms.
Yes.
So marijuana can be recreational, but hemp is not a recreational. Hemp is a seed. Hemp is a food. Cannabis is a medicine. So that is the only thing which we need to create in as far as the perception are concerned.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm saying if we talk more about hemp seeds, like for example, there is a research in the natives of Himalaya, especially Uttarakhand and Himachal. There are so many villages where they have bhang ka chutney and hemp seeds and all, and their longevity is like they lived 80s and 90s easily. That is, although the fresh air, the ecosystem, that is also responsible, but this is one very important ingredient in their food, which enables them to get all the nutrients, and their quality of life improves, and they have a good life.
That was one of the arguments we had, because being a kid, we were always given this thing called moody. Now, moody is a mixture of puffed rice, bhang seeds, and some dry fruits. Bhang seeds सबसे ज़्यादा होते थे. So how could my grandmother poison me if it was a poison? And how could they think like, oh, it's something illegal? When it's a part of our culture and lifestyle, and the Indian hemp especially starts somewhere. So what are your thoughts about the medical field supporting it? Will they see it as sort of a like a competition?
See, medical have their own scope in this. This plant is so beautiful. If you talk about flower, bird, leaves, seeds, every pathy can gain something. Definitely the origin is Ayurveda.
Yeah.
But allopathy can develop their own medicine. They are already developed with so many herbal ingredients and nutraceuticals. And we are fine with that. See, ultimately, the end of the day, patient should be benefited.
Yes.
So if allopathy doctors are also giving, we are happy. They should give more so that patients will be benefited. At least the side effects of chemical ingredients or the medicine which they are giving will be minimized.
Yes.
Second point which I want to emphasize here is, see, ultimately, end of the day, we need to understand that anything which is in excess or in nominal amount as well. On one side, smoking, alcohol, everybody knows that it is killing people.
Yeah.
It is the main cause of certain kind of cancers. It is the main cause of certain kind of liver disorders. But although we don't support recreational till the land of our country will support that. But still, if you compare in the countries where it has been legalized recreational, I will give you some examples. In US, in some states, 40%, this is on record, 40% reduction in tobacco and smoking, tobacco and nicotine has been reported once the cannabis has been legalized in recreational. I think a couple of days back, Germany also legalized it's some small quantity. If you have seen that news. So they are understanding that our people are getting killed from smoking and alcohol. Let's save them by legalizing some minimum amount of cannabis in recreational so that they can reduce their smoking and alcohol intake.
Yeah.
And it's a scientific study. So Government of India, Health Ministry, all the states should do these kind of studies, that when a smoker or alcoholic person is getting out of that addiction with the support of cannabis, and it is not dependence, it is not also creating dependency. You can have some time and then you can stop this.
It's not habitual.
Your body will not demand for that. You will not get habitual. So ultimately, all those drugs where there is no that much of options available, there have been research and studies reported that cannabis can help those kind of addicts as well. So ultimately, we need to save life. We need to save people. That is our aim. And if any herb can help us, why not?
जैसे आजकल there is a huge trend, you know, that हम लोग उन चीज़ों के नाम बदल देते हैं जिनसे हम कंफर्टेबल नहीं है. तो आपको ऐसा लगता है अगर हम कैनाबिस को विजाया से रिप्लेस करेंगे और गवर्नमेंट के पास उस माइंडसेट से जाएंगे कि विजाया करेंगे उनके आगे, तो will it like really benefit our cause? Because
See,
Vijaya is written in the text. Do you think they have the capacity to throw it in the bin?
Definitely. See, we always promote Ayurveda and we always promote the Sanskrit and the Hindi and the native language words. Vijaya is a beautiful word, and why our acharyas and rishis called that Vijaya. Vijaya means it is having the capability of winning so many health issues when you give to the patients or an healthy individual also. So it's a kind of a Vijaya, means like it can give you that win or that healing or that success in addressing any problem. So that is Vijaya.
And even Anandamide being that compound,
Obviously.
binding with the system. There is a reason why it exists, right?
So, a scientist, an Israeli scientist, naming Anandamide, Ananda is a Sanskrit word, he also knows that it is somehow connected to India.
Do you see that India में अगर हमें किसी के पास rightly जाना हो, we go ahead with that hashtag 2030, the year of him. If there is a top-down approach, do you think that being more successful या ये bottom-up ही चलना पड़ेगा?
See, government is not negative. Government has voted positive with this hub in UN as well. I don't know if you are aware. In United Nations, there was a meeting. They tried to make this herb less serious in terms of categorization and less restricted. And India supported in the favor of cannabis. Point number one. Second, Indian government is not at all negative. We have met to many cabinet ministries. We have met to the think tanks of this government and all. And they are saying, let's start with some pilots in, for example, in Uttarakhand and Himachal. And once we will show them the strength. So if we do some kind of small project first, and then we go to the government that, see, we have done in this small state. If you allow in the bigger states, we can do at a bigger scale because industrial hemp needs volume. So like bigger states like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Maharashtra, these bigger states have the potential of producing bulk for the industrial as well as other industries, and then can be exported to the entire world. We went to UAE, the Dubai port is allowing each and every, in fact they have allowed all the high level of THC also, at least at the port. They are already dealing with narcotics, they are already dealing with all these hazardous chemicals. They said we don't have any issue for the port. It's for the mainland you have to. So India can create that ecosystem that the manufacturing should be done here and we can export to the entire world, and that should be the ideal strategy. So India will definitely promote this as herb of the year or plant of the year. So I think through this platform, we should make people realize the actual potential of this plant. Then only the things will happen, and ultimately end of the day it has to be beneficial for India.
Yeah. The economy grows, so we grow.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and when we grow, the economy will grow.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for staying back and having this conversation.
Thank you. My pleasure.